Welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas. I will be showing a get ready with me video. It's super quick, like what I do on a regular work day, including a little bit of flat ironing the front pieces of my hair. And I'll link down my flat iron. It's my favorite flat iron. I've literally been using the same flat iron, haven't gotten another one since sophomore year of high school. So not only is it amazing, but it lasts super long. So I'll link it down below. What I wanted to do in this next part of Vlogmas day 2 is gift wrap some white elephant gifts. So I'm part of 2 white elephant exchanges, and one of them is happening tomorrow, then another one is happening next week, but I've got both of the packages in for them today, so I'm probably gonna wrap them both today. I got the game Codenames. I really like it. It was also only on sale for 10 bucks. So yeah, this is the one gift I got. I think board games are excuse me, games in general are seem like they're a really good gift for this sort of exchange situation. And the second gift I got is for the department that I work in. And what I got were these packing cubes. So if you know me, I cannot pack without packing cubes. I will always overpack, but if I have packing cubes, I can at least be organized about my packing. So I got these packing cubes. I just got a pretty neutral blue color. I was gonna get black, but they had sold out of it. Black is my color of choice always, but blue seems like the next best bet. I got gift boxes, of course, so I'm gonna put the packing cubes in one of these, and then I'm gonna just wrap the codename box as it is. Alright everyone, well, I have both of my gifts wrapped up for my white elephant. You probably learned two things from this video. One, I don't really have a solid morning makeup routine. And the second one is that I do not know how to cut paper with a scissor at all. Thank you for watching today's day 2 of Vlogmas, and I will see you in day 3. I feel like I'm doing a lot of these like in front of the camera videos, but it snowed outside and it's cold, so your girl isn't really trying to go nowhere. But today I am gonna share, this is day 3 of Vlogmas, so day 2 and day 3 will be combined for a little bit of a longer video. I am working late tonight and I worked late yesterday on day 2, so I hope to get it up by tonight, but we will see. On this day 3 of Vlogmas, I'm gonna be sharing some things that I got from Sephora. Taking you on a trip to Stop and Shop, which is our local supermarket, and Target, because I have to go program shopping with one of my coworkers, so I figured I would take you along that. And then I'll probably close it out. So I ordered a package from, or I ordered things from Sephora, and I got my package super quick. Like, I placed my order, I think, on Saturday, and I got all of my stuff today, which is Tuesday, so I feel like that's pretty quick, especially for the busy like cyber weekend basically sale that was all over all of the websites. Anyway, so I picked up a gift. That was literally why I went on this Sephora website, was to like just buy this thing that I needed to get for a friend, and I couldn't help place an order for myself because I have no self-control. So I will say I'm not going to share the gift that I got for my friend because she's probably going to watch this, but I am going to share the gift that I got for my mom. So this is for my mom's stocking, and essentially it's this like cooling eye mask. I'm going to take it out of the package. So this is what it looks like. It is iridescent. It says that it is for cooling comfort. Place mask in refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before use. Eye mask will remain cool for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. And my mom has been working a lot, so I wanted to get her things that like were super easy. She could do like other things if she needed to, but would help her like relax a little bit more and practice a little bit more self-care. So I picked these up. They were super affordable. I think they were like $5. And this is obviously a reusable product, so she could keep putting it in the fridge, which I think is pretty cool. Next, I think this was a 100-point perk. I should have figured out what was a point perk and whatever, but anyway, most of the things that I got were point perks or samples, and I will like share which of those things is what. So I got this Ultra Repair Berry Air Cream, and this is from First Aid Beauty. And this was a 100-point perk. It says it's a light as air moisturizer that is clinically proven to immediately improve barrier function and provide adaptable hydration for combination normal and dry skin. This is what it looks like. It's super dainty. So this is what it looks like. It's super tiny. And I really wanted to get like tiny items and like things that I could travel with, because I have travels coming up. So this is what it looks like. It's super tiny. I really wanted to get small stuff, point perks, samples, and things like that to take with me on future trips that I have. My Barcelona trip alone is 7 days, and I use a lot of skincare. So I wanted to get stuff that like I could pack and wouldn't take up a lot of space in my luggage. The next thing I got is this Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil. It's a heat/UV protective primer. And so what you're supposed to do is spray this on damp or dry hair, comb through and style your hair. I saw somebody on Instagram that I follow, and I can't remember who, that was like raving about this, so I figured I would pick it up because it's an 100-point perk, and I have hella points, because again I have no self-control, so I picked this up also. Then I got this really cool sample, again, small tiny products, and this is the these are products from Ren Clean Skincare. This is the Evercalm like line. So there's a global protection day cream, there's an overnight recovery balm, and then there's an ultra comforting rescue mask. I thought these were so cute. Super good also for like traveling and like being on the plane. Like I can 100% see myself putting on this overnight recovery balm as I do my nighttime skincare routine on the flight, because our flight is overnight. So I'm super excited to use these products. I've never tried things from Ren before, I don't think, but I do hear good things about them, so I'm excited, and potentially we'll see like if any of these things become part of my routine. I will say that I have been looking for a day cream, because I currently don't really have like a daytime skincare routine. I have like a nighttime skincare routine down packed, but I don't have anything really solid for the day. So I hope that this works out, because if so, I'll just purchase a full-size version of it. And then lastly was the thing that I actually did purchase. So this is the Cores, I don't actually know. But it's the Stressed, let me just open it. So this is the Your Stress Skin Savers like mini. So next is the Cores Your Stress Skin Savers mini routine set. So the first set is the Hydrate set, which is the Greek yogurt foaming cream cleanser, which is my favorite cleanser ever. Like I use it every single day. And then the next one is the Boost and Protect, which is the probiotic superdose face mask. So the products look like this. Again, they're mini products. I originally went on Sephora to get the perfume for my friend, and then I was like, well, I might as well pick up a travel size version of my favorite face wash, because I literally use it all the time, and I don't think that I could go a week without using it. This is like my favorite face wash ever. It's actually a cream, which has not always been my go-to cleanser of choice, but has become my go-to cleanser of choice. Super hydrating. My skin loves this, drinks it up every single day. And then this face mask, I've never used this before, but I'm super excited to do so. It says that it is, again, supposed to boost and protect. You're supposed to slather a rich, super thick layer to clean dry skin and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse and pat to reveal calm, smooth, and healthy skin. I'm really super excited about this. Also, this set was $15, and I think this alone, like just the travel size version of this, was like 14 bucks. And so for a whole $1 more, I got this whole extra face mask, which, like, I have no self-control again, so that is how I make that work in my mind. Anyway, I know that I'm going to use this all the time, and again, I have a couple trips coming up, so this is like exactly what I need for my skincare routine when I travel. And those are all of the things that I got from Sephora.